Technically, well, it's half an hour before the following day or today's vlog, if it gets posted or whatever. You still need to edit the previous video.
Yeah. Stop making videos.
As you could have seen, our friends from Evolve Automotive, Imran, visited us and he left the G87 overnight with us because what if we're gonna slap a wing on a G87? It would be convenient to have the scan of the trunk lid. What if we would want to make a splitter to compensate for all the downforce on the rear for the front? Would be convenient to have a scan of the front. So one day, because right now we are in the final stages of making the F87 kit, and after that, we have a couple of more projects, so we need to see, but first we need to launch the wings and then of course the F87 kit and then see how it performs, yes. Anyway, fast forward to a few hours later, when Gio is happy to make more videos.
What do you mean a few hours later? Dude. Whoa! Yo!
She's all yours.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for borrowing her to us.
Scanning done?
We got everything done.
The special magic at the back.
Oh yeah, for sure. Maybe something on the front as well.
Oh, cool.
Underneath, so when we gonna make our Vulcan kit. Cold start. Eight in the morning, and I've been here till 3 editing the Z06 video and uploading and making thumbnails. So yeah, it feels like, I don't know, almost 10 years ago when I started doing YouTube or started doing Apex a bit later. It's always exciting when you're doing a new venture and you just want to give it all, and it's just amazing. I want to give a very big shout out to Imran for giving us the G87, the M2, because we didn't even like ask for it. He's like, oh, if you want to scan the car to develop your kit, go for it. The reason why I'm saying this, and it's weird that I'm saying it, but there are people out there, whether it's YouTube that I've been doing or the rental business over the last almost 10 years, or now workshop, who have been my friends, have been working together, and then all of a sudden I'm started doing kind of similar things at them. They completely block me out of their life and don't want to do anything with me or with other people. So in this case, he could have said like, oh, you know what, you're competition, or you know what, I'm putting Alpha N kit on it. Like, whoa, whoa, whoa. But like, hey, here's the car, I don't care, everyone should be friends, everyone should help each other, because the pie is big enough for everyone. Anyway, let's go outside and maybe say bye and see what's up.
It needs an even chewy intake.
We can make it happen.
Do you know how much power it makes on that car? 50 horsepower.
With the intake?
Yes, incredible.
Yes, please. I mean, we also need some exhaust, because with OPF here in Europe, it's sad.
Oh, in America that stock sounds incredible.
But it's also minus 35 horsepower. Is my mathing? No, minus 25, because the US is 670 and this is 645. But yes, please intake, because we'll definitely be doing a kit for it. All right, I'll let you do your outro. So I don't have your outro before you post your outro.
Oh, thank you.
YouTuber things, we'll help each other. Was that open diff live? No, it was just like weird angle. Saying bye to Imran and the crew, but actually not for long, because this Saturday they have Beamers and Burgers, or Burgers and Beamers, what has priority, event at their location in UK. And actually I am flying out on Friday to first attend on Friday Podium Place, then Saturday I'll be at Shedfest, and then Saturday probably in the evening I'll try to visit them for some burgers. So if you're there around at any of those places, looking forward to seeing you, meeting you, some of my UK audience. And yeah, now let's see what the day will bring. And actually today is the full day of public session. So from now, actually the track is already open from 8 o'clock, and I'll be doing for sure some laps and maybe also some naps, because I had 4 hours of sleep. Speaking of laps and naps, check out our merch, link in the video description. The random Urus bumper That should be actually finished soon enough. I think the car is coming, I don't know, maybe even next week. At least the front bumper, the off-road bumper will be finished. I think next weekend shipped to us. And the rear one is almost done and it's going to be quite sick. But nothing is going to be ever as sick as the E36, correct?
No.
No. We're going to take it to the Nürburgring car park.
Yeah, I'm not driving that.
No? I can tell by the amount of dust on it, but who am I to say?
Be happy the door card didn't fall off.
Oh, I remember those days.
Is it gonna start?
I don't know. The E36 bingo. Come on.
Yes.
Just want to make sure that it didn't leave any leaks. Is that even the E36 then, if it didn't?
It doesn't leak oil.
How it doesn't mark its territory? Ooh, 360. Nice. By the way, if you've been following Nürburgring social media, since yesterday there's a new traffic system. So by now you can get in the car park only by showing a valid ticket. So you see, the marshal stops the car, he asks, do you have a ticket? Then you can proceed. If you don't, you need to go to the overflow car park on the left. And now you can also exit the track completely from this side without having to go through the car park completely. I find it personally a very good system. Right now it's causing a bit of chaos because people don't really know what is happening, what to do, how to do. But the ability to leave the track immediately is very convenient. And I find it also good that only people with a valid lap ticket are actually going on the car park and not just blocking those spots for themselves for no particular reason the whole day. But let me know in the comments, of course, what you think. Honestly, seriously want to hear your opinion. If you experienced the new system so far, when it comes to exiting the track, has worked flawlessly, tremendously. I mean, this is what they were using over the last years when there was track closure due to an accident. They used just like an instant exit lane. So I think it's good, personally. Like I said, that now it's causing a bit of confusion for people who are used to the old situation, but I think it's going to work. Anyway, let's see if E36 has lost a wheel on the way here. Yeah. Everything's still in one piece. Oh my god, it's a Multipla. How many memes have you made in your life about a Multipla? We need to make like a proper body kit for it. Oh, hold on a second. Is this what I think it is? Or is it just a different body kit? Nice. I've seen it online, I just don't remember what body kit it is, but yeah, it's interesting. Anyway, I want to see this. What are those? Who are you? What are you doing here? Look at all these gauges. Whew. Spicy. This is Alpina? Sorry, Alpine, yeah. Alpine, but with lots of mods. And our track speed friends with them too. Nice. Some parking, some canards, some pink. Yay, more track speed. Nice 1M. And another one. Beautiful. Ooh, what do you have to say about that? Nice.
I love your videos.
Thank you, thank you. Who are you? The biggest fangirl?
Yes.
Are you? Some lip that is. And here is also GT4 RS of track speed that my mom could have had a passenger ride in, but she said no, she wants the GT3. And this is on CRS, the Nankang CRS, so I really want to give it a try. Maybe next week when it's dry again, we'll see. And as you can see, today we have lots and lots of S2000s. I think it's like some yearly S2000 meet, so interesting. The Spider RS in a fantastic spec, very beautiful, and especially very beautiful weather to drive this car with top down on the ring. Corvette, not a Z06, but still very fast and very good. I mean, I kind of fell in love after the Z06 laps. All right. May or may not have OPF. We don't know. We won't tell you. That's a nice spec. Hey! Norbert probably has now over 100,000 kilometers on the clock. Look at that! CRX Live. Lovely. Let's not get run over by up, because that would be an F-up. The new exit in working. Car going out. And I guess that's kind of it for today. We could include a food shot, but I don't know if we're going to have food tonight. Oh, look at that. Hey! That could be the food shot. Very tasty looking. And on that note, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the fantastic vibes and laps today. And see you in tomorrow's video, and I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe, we have testing day with Bilstein. with our GT4 race car. We'll be running new tires, new size tires. And today, or yesterday or something, it's been announced that there's going to be a very strong competitor team participating with a 24-hour race, together with Timo Glock, Jeroen Blekemolen, and 2 other drivers whose name I forgot, but who have also won everything that there is to win when it comes to racing.
Hello, Misha.
Hello there. Actually, here is some food chat. Look how tasty, good looking the interior of this Golf is. Fantastic. Beautiful.